I hope my weight's down from yesterday. What's for lunch today, baby?
Is it done?
No, I think it just started.
Hi.
It smells good.
The thing is like collectible.
This it's still good.
That's why I moved it to the middle.
Huh?
I moved it to the middle so we can get up here and start touching it. It should probably bring it down.
I should move it though.
Salad for me.
Yeah.
Chips.
Why? I didn't ask you to pack me chips.
Just eat it.
Why?
Porridge. Pear.
Can you just eat it like that?
Yeah. Herbal food looks so yummy. Can't have it.
I'm just practicing.
Angelina.
Yeah.
What's that?
Oh, she does.
So I give her half chicken nuggets.
What do you got in
Chicken
there?
nuggets for me.
Ooh.
And then they split the potato for me.
What's in that Tupperware? It looks so yummy. Everyone's eating
Oh,
except
yes.
for me. I'm gonna wait till later so I can bring my numbers down. Did you guys eat already?
Yeah.
What'd you eat?
Beef sausage.
Oh man.
Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3,
Go.
Come on, up.
Go ahead, baby.
Up, bring your hips up. On your toes. Yes. On your toes. On your toes. Almost there. Harmony. Go on your toes like daddy. Look. My toes. Yes. That's a good start. On your toes. Tippy toes. Tippy toes. Yes. All the way back. Go on your elbow. Go on your elbow like daddy. Oh. Alright.
Yeah.
I hope my weight's down from yesterday.
I hope my legs down for this day.
We made it back to 189. I haven't been this weight in forever. More than a year. So that fasting, I fasted for about 24 hours and I dropped down a pound. And tomorrow I'm probably gonna do the same thing.
Nah.
Take it easy. No, I might do some work tomorrow. And then we'll just keep chugging along towards that 170 goal. See you guys tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.